I will use two methods to measure the reading speed of a storage device in Linux. I will use the disks utility and also the HDParam tool, which is a command line tool. So let's they can be found here in this URL, and both are very well documented in this web page. So let's move to the disks tool first. Here you go. And I will measure, for reference purposes, the Samsung SSD 850 EVO 250 gigabyte SSD drive. If I go to the specifications of this drive, it can deliver about 540 megabytes per second in sequential read and something similar, 520 megabytes per second in sequential write operations. So let's start. I will benchmark partition 1. So I will do it again, the benchmark. I already have the results there, but I will do it again. So sample size, I will take 20 megabyte. And let's see, my password. Oh my God, I have my drive, my monitor. It's playing tricks on me. Screensaver. So we have here the screen, the actual benchmarking. And we have an average read rate of 550 and write 500, which is pretty close to what is the specification of the drive. That's one method. And now we will move to the second method to test the same hard drive. This is partition SDA partition 1. So here we're having for read 522 megabits per second, which is similar, close enough. There are different sizes of the files for testing that explain the difference, but it is very close to the specification. So both tools in Linux are quite accurate for measuring both read and write performance in the drives.